What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to ensure your data privacy when using ChatGPT. So if you are using ChatGPT like on a computer that many people can access, or a computer like in a public place, you have to ensure that your data will not be leaked. So for that you can use ChatGPT, sign in and use ChatGPT, and then click here on the three dots next to your email on the bottom left, and then log out after your session. Or if you do not log out, if you don't have to log out, you can just go to settings here and then clear all chats before leaving. So if it's like in a public place where they have like a public ChatGPT account and you do not want anybody to look at your answers or look at your chats, so once you finish you can just go to settings and then click here on clear all chats, and all your chats, your questions that you gave the ChatGPT bot will be cleared. And here you can go to data control, and before even starting chatting with ChatGPT, you can uncheck the chat history and training so that the history of your chats is not saved here in the history.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.